Now this is related to Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav. So this is days before Samajwadi president's birthday, that is Akhilesh Yadav's birthday. In the run-up to that, now there is a poster which has emerged, which has really ruffled feathers. This poster, which you can see on your screens, Akhilesh Yadav, viewer, seems to be the latest rising star in national politics after leading his party to a spectacular victory in Lok Sabha elections. Akhilesh has constantly been making headlines, and even as his bonhomie with Rahul Gandhi in the parliamentary member is getting the spotlight right now. We're talking about the poster which has been put up. Now his party workers have put up a poster reflecting him as a future prime minister, or giving him birthday wishes as a future prime minister. Now that really has caused a massive war of words, because this is using his birthday, which is going to be falling on the 1st of July, as a peg to express their wish. Now these are some cadres etc. who have put up the posters and banner outside the SP office. BJP seems to be suggesting that there is a slugfest and tug of war between the two parties or the allies over this poster. We'll talk about it and more, but first let's get you a latest report which has been filed by our colleagues from the ground where this poster has been put up.
Fresh posters come up outside Samajwadi Party office and Akhilesh Yadav's residence, in which the party workers are wishing Akhilesh Yadav a very happy birthday, and they are writing देश के भावी प्रधानमंत्री आदरणीय अखिलेश यादव जी को जन्मदिन की बधाई. Akhilesh Yadav's birthday is on 1st of July, and Samajwadi Party workers has once again raised this issue that Akhilesh Yadav should be the Prime Minister of India, and this is right outside Samajwadi Party, where around 10 to 12 posters have been put from Samajwadi Party office all the way to Akhilesh Yadav's residence. Here are some more posters in which the workers are demanding that Akhilesh Yadav should be the Prime Minister, and this is not just the first time when Samajwadi Party had a very good performance in assembly polls. Then also Samajwadi Party workers were demanding this.